Hey, this is Nader from the Agent Cloud team, and this is the first video in a short series about creating a simple chat app. So here we have the Sales Insights app. This is what we're going to be creating. So let's hit play and see what it can do. So it'll prompt me asking how it can assist. Well, let's hit this prompt and what's the best performing product currently. So currently product J is the best performing product. It'll tell us quantity sold, price per unit, and total sales. But let's say we want to compare it to product B. So let's see what it can do. So product J and product B, and it'll do a comparison between the two products. Well, now we've got our comparison between the two products. Let's see what are the general sales trends. And it'll then get the sales data that we've uploaded, and it'll tell us some trends on the data, such as overall growth, price increase, and we can ask more detailed questions on specific trends. So this is part one. The next part will be starting off with the very basics, which will be data sources, moving on to models, agents, and then apps.